Meaning of farmer's market.
Farmer's market.
Farmer's market.
Farmer's market.
Farmer's market. A farmer's market is a place where local farmers and producers sell fresh fruits, vegetables, meats, dairy, baked goods, and other locally sourced products directly to consumers. These markets provide an opportunity for farmers to connect with their community and earn a fair price for their products, while consumers get access to fresh, seasonal produce and support local agriculture. Farmers markets are known for their vibrant atmosphere, diverse offerings, and commitment to sustainable food systems. They play an important role in promoting healthy eating habits and strengthening local economies.